Hello everyone, I've come to Scarborough Mere now, and Scarborough Mere is at the side of the A64 Seamer Road as you come into Scarborough. So we've just got some of the industrial units over there that front Seamer Road, and this is the Mere car park, and this is the Mere Cafe. And we've got a goose there saying something to us. And the Mere it's a natural lake. It is about 16 acres in total. It used to be 40 acres when the valley was flooded many years ago. But it's settled at 16 acres, and there is a path round, and the path is about a mile long. So it's fairly secluded off the road, really. If you know it's here, you know it's here. And yeah, well worth a visit. Look at the bird life that's here at the moment. We've got seagulls, baby seagulls, kittiwakes, ducks. There's the Canada geese here. There's all sorts. Just let's have a look over here. What have we got here? More ducks. Another Canada geese. More hens. Another kittiwake. Fantastic. And this fella's right down here. Hello there. Hello, I'm talking to you. Right. Let's go and have a look round. It's February, so the path is quite muddy and wet at the moment, and you can see the water levels right up to it, so it obviously is a rather full lake at the moment, but we're going to enjoy having a walk around it. And as you can see over here, the Mere Cafe, it's got pods, so there's seating pods with roofs on, and then you've got the picnic tables, so that's lovely to come down to. Right, we'll have a walk this way. There's a pathway there back up to Seamer Road. Moor hen there, and I think that one is a coot. Oh, just lovely to see them swimming in the water and leaving the wake behind them. There's a few ducks down here. Oh, this is fascinating today. Didn't expect all this bird life when I came down. So it's well fenced off. And you can obviously go through here. So little landing sections. There's a bin, I've just passed a bin, and a seat here for sitting out. Be lovely on a summer's day sitting out, watching this lot. Just popped up. Hello, hello, Mr. Goose. I would think with this being Scarborough, they're all fairly used to people. That's why they're not frantically swimming away from me. Another like little landing area, jetty type thing. Ducks coming ashore, right where I'm going to walk. I've just come out into this lovely section here. You can see that interesting tree, those tree branches there. More geese, just letting me know that they're here. Island, and then over there we've got residential property overlooking the lake. Fabulous. We have a swan that has now appeared. Hello, swan. Filtering the silt, getting food out. Great. Oh, there's more swans down here. I can see lots of swans. And you see that lorry up there, you can see we are just set against the backdrop of the industrial estate up there. And you've got this beautiful, serene, tranquil place just here. We're just down at the midsection of the lake now. I think these little central islands are fascinating. There's a couple of swans just there on the water. Now, I'm not sure whether the camera's picking this up, but we have a different bird species just there. It is a duck, but it looks like it's got a blue beak and a black tuft on the back of its head. So I'm sure when this video is edited we can flash up what type of duck that is. But yeah, black and white with a black tuft and a blue beak just there. Interesting. So I've come to this bridge section, and then this is quite strange because it's all fenced off with a top, and I don't know what that is over there. And if it says push to open, and it is open, but I think I'm going to go over the bridge and back round now. So is that more of the mere or is that private? I'm not sure. And what's beyond there? I'll have to have a look at the map. We're coming over to this bridge section now. Over the bridge, and I'll just turn and have a look at the mere from the bottom end here. Oh, more of those ducks, the ones with the black tufts and the blue beak. And if I try not to disturb them, I've got a kittiwake just on the bridge here. See how close I can get before he... Oh, he's gone. And more Canada geese. And then more ducks. I am actually out for an enjoyable walk. It just seems like I'm chasing all the birds around the lake at the moment. They've gone that way. Oh, and more water that way then. Oh, look at that. All the geese flying over. It really is a bird festival today. Coming through this bit. I've got water that side, and I've got the main mere here, and I'm coming to another bridge. There's another swan. And here's another bridge. I've got crows now. It's much calmer this side, the water. It's got like levelling floats. So, don't know. Oh, there is somebody walking through there. But I'm on the return leg now. We've got old boat houses there. and this looks like the road coming down here, but we're going to stay path side, come round here. Just down here as we approach, we've got an abundance of swans. One there swimming off, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then just the other side of the jetty I think there's another one, so that's 6 swans all together. There they are. Hello swans. Hello swans. Hello. Now the geese that flew over there have all landed in the middle of the lake, just over there. There's loads of them. You can see just up here now we've come near the residential properties on our right hand side. So just coming back round to the car now, so that is Scarborough Mere, and just great to be out in the cold fresh air, but it's fresh air and it's a free place to come, free parking, free walk, and if you're a bird lover, bird spotter, well, ideal. Plenty of birds to see here. Just look in this small section, how many there are. So that's it, Scarborough Mere. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.